our group member. How brake rotor system works. Brake disc system dismantling process.
Firstly, we need to lift the car by using the car lift jacks. Then, we need to put the car stand under the car chassis so the car can stand stably and strongly. Open all the tires, nuts, and screws to get access to the brake disc and brake caliper. To dismantle the brake caliper from the hub, open the nuts and open the brake hose. Then take out the main housing so we can get access to the brake pads. Take out the brake pads from the caliper. Then we can take out the brake caliper from the main housing. To take out the piston from the cylinder board, we need to use more power and strength by using the hammer. Then we can get access to the cylinder board. This is the condition of the piston cylinder board. It is a bit rusty and oily. So this is the piston condition. This is the process where we need to measure the brake rotor surface by using the vernier caliper. We need to mark it with 6 points so we can make a run-out measurement with it. Rub the brake pad to the brake disc to make the rub test. Lastly, after make a test and take all data measurement, we need to reinstall the brake disc and brake caliper into the hub. Then, put on the tires.
Data and result. Part name. Disc brake inspection. Disc brake condition. Question 1. Based on your finding, what is the condition of the brake pad? Should it be replaced with a new pad?
The outboard brake pad condition is uneven and the thickness was 7.33 mm and 8.03 mm, while the inboard brake pad condition is even and the thickness was 6.36 mm and 7.07 mm. There were a few differences and did not affect brake efficiency. The brake pad was still in good condition and do not replace it with a new pad.
Question 2. List 2 causes of rotor thickness variation. What is the correct repair procedure of thickness variation?
Much heat can bend the rotor and warp. Uneven pressure from the brake pads also can affect the rotor thickness. To fix it, skimming the rotor is the solution. But if the rotor is too thin, it should be replaced with a new one.
Question 3. What do you understand about run-out measurement data?
Run-out measurement data, meaning the amount of side-to-side movement or wobble of a spinning brake rotor. In this condition, the rotor run-out measurement was 0.04 mm, which is in tolerance limits, shows that the rotor is in good condition.
Question 4. What do you understand about run-out measurement data?
When rolled, the guide pin is straight, means the brake caliper can move freely without any resistance. If the guide pin is bent or cracked, the caliper will affect the braking efficiency, causing uneven and rough rotor surface. In this lab session, we finally understood how to remove, inspect, and reinstall the brake rotor and brake caliper system. This activity helps us to make a proper rotor inspection based on the findings. From our findings, we can conclude that the brake rotor is still in good tolerance and in good shape. The brake rotor only has minor marks and a bit uneven, but still normal for daily use. The caliper guide pin was straight and not cracked, so the piston can move freely without any resistance. To conclude, this lab session taught us to inspect the brake disc system correctly and the importance of good braking system efficiency.